Busy as a squirrel, exploring English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our latest English language learning video. Today, we're going to explore the colorful phrase, busy as a squirrel. This idiom is a fun and vivid way to describe someone who is very busy. So, let's dive in and understand what it means and how you can use it in your everyday English conversations. Busy as a squirrel is an idiom used to describe someone who is extremely busy or occupied with many tasks, similar to how a squirrel is often seen scurrying around collecting nuts. This phrase paints a picture of constant activity and energetic work. It's a metaphorical expression, meaning it uses the behavior of a squirrel to describe human activity. The idiom, busy as a squirrel, likely originates from the observation of squirrels, especially in the autumn months. During this time, squirrels are known to be highly active, gathering food for the winter. This natural behavior of squirrels has become a symbolic representation of busyness and industriousness in the English language. Using idioms like busy as a squirrel can make your English sound more natural and fluent. Here are some examples. I've been as busy as a squirrel preparing for the upcoming exams. Our team at work is as busy as a squirrel with the new project. Remember, this idiom is informal, so it's best used in casual conversations or in situations where a friendly, light-hearted tone is appropriate. There are other idioms and phrases that convey the same meaning. For instance, busy as a bee, on the go, up to one's ears in work. Understanding these can enrich your vocabulary and give you more ways to express the concept of being very busy. That's all for our exploration of the idiom, busy as a squirrel. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what it means and how to use it. Remember, learning idioms is not just about knowing their meanings, but also about incorporating them into your daily language use. Keep practicing, and you'll sound like a native in no time. See you in our next video.